As my name is Sunidhi Kumari, I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in my family and I have three siblings, one me and two of my brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new. As well as I am so much eager and curious to learn English language, so that's why I'm practicing here in the Skype application. Even though I'm running two YouTube channel, that's all about me.
Oh yeah, that's really awesome. That the things that you are doing, that you are also running a YouTube channel. So how long you are just working over there on YouTube?
Yeah, so talking about my YouTube channel, I'm working since like 4 to 5 months. So I'm working there. I'm talking about the practicing in the about the English language. I'm practicing since 8 to 9 months in the Skype application because even though I can say my journey was very relatable to every person. Like I have joined the Skype application before 8 to 9 months, but I have learned the English language since I was in class 7. At the time, I started to learn English language because I was facing lots of problem, even though I was not able to form the sentence also. So lots of problem I was facing. So that's when my teacher and my parents told me that if you know the English language from now only, then you will not going to face a lots of difficulties in your future life. So that's why I started to learn English language from that time only. And firstly, I learned the grammar because grammar is the backbone of the English language. If I will learn the grammar very well, then only I can speak English language or I can do anything in the English. So that's why I firstly learned the grammar. And talking about the grammar, I just learned the basic part of the grammar because to talking with anybody, it's not necessary that we have to learn the whole grammar. So that's why I just learned the basic grammar that where we have to use the verbs, sentences, tenses, like this type of things I was learning. After that, I was doing the activity at my home. That how I can give my introduction, how I can give my daily routine, like this type of things I was doing at my home. And I was also speaking with a co-learner, but I was facing lots of problem even though in my mind nothing sentences were coming. That what I have to speak in front of anybody. Like I was facing lots of problem in introduction part also. So that's why I was facing lots of problem. There was so much hesitations in my mind. I was not able to speak very well English language. I just left all those things at that time only. And before 8 to 9 months, I joined to the Skype application. Now I've understood the importance of the English language. So like this, I'm practicing here and doing regular practice.
And that's I can see that you are speaking really well and also fast. So I'm very, happy to see you that you are in ninth standard.
Yeah, I'm in class 9.
Oh yeah, that's really good. I'm also very happy to see that you are only in ninth standard and that you are able to speak like a native speaker, not native speaker, but your English is really good, and I really appreciate the way you are speaking. So I wanna tell you one things more because you are working on YouTube too. Yeah, so you
Yeah,
might
yeah,
be going to upload videos while you are having conversation on this Skype application.
yeah, yeah.
That's really awesome. So I can also see that you are very confident, and also I can see that you are speaking like a public speaker. So just tell me something about like how a person can be a public speaker, how a person can speak confidently like you, how you have improved such kind of activities inside of you. So I really want to know about all those things that you have developed inside of yourself.
Yeah, so talking about how to practice English language
But
and how
one
to
thing
speak.
I also want to add, like whenever you are speaking, please speak some slow because you are going to upload this video on your channel. So because like if people gonna watch this video, so they are totally beginners, so they are not
Yeah, yeah.
able to get our points like what we are talking about. So it would be better when we are having conversation. Try to talk slow so that the
Yeah,
person
yeah,
who is
yeah,
watching it
definitely.
right now they will get all the things which we have discussed about in this video. So that's why I'm
Yeah,
telling
yeah,
you.
definitely. Yeah,
Mm.
so talking about the practice, like the beginners, when who start to speak English language, they will face a lots of problem. They hesitate a lot, and like we are not saying that doing a practice now. Like today, I am speaking English language, so it is not like that. I will learn from today only. I will learn all those things today only. It is not like that. It is the things to be practiced. If we will more practice, then only we can speak English language better and with a confident English language. Because for improving, for getting a confident in anything, we have to do a lots of sacrifices in that. In that, so that's why I just think that in the study case also we have to do a regular practice. So that's why for speaking English language, it is very, very necessary to have a regular practice. If you practice more and more, then only you can see a good result in yourself that I'm able to speak English language very well. So that's why there is necessary of regular practice. And I can see that like we have also seen example, because I have also seen example in myself, like when my examination was going on. Before the examination, I was practicing in the Skype application, and when my examination was going on, at the time I just like to speak English language because I have to focus on my study also. So that's why, after the examination, I just again practice English language. But at the time, I was not able to speak English language like the earlier time. So that's why at the time I just think that regular practice is very, very mandatory for us. If we will do the practice on the regular basis, then only we can see a good result in ourselves and can see a good improvement that how we are speaking with a confident English language. And you can also see the earlier videos and the now videos. We can see a large difference between them. So that's why regular practice is very, very necessary for us. And the other thing is that we should follow the LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This is also very, very essential for the beginners, one who has started English language, because at the beginning time I have also practiced like this type of things. I was doing a large practice. I was, even though I was speaking with my parents, with my brothers at my home, I was speaking whatever I am doing at my home. I was speaking English language only. So that's why we overcome of the hesitation or the fear. We have to practice a lot. Then only we can see a good result and can speak with a confident English language. So this I can see in myself. So that's why I just, in my opinion, I just think that regular practice is very, very mandatory.
Yeah, exactly. The things that you have, follow in your back days and the process which you have follow, it's really workable. Like the person who really want to speak fast in this language, like in English language, they easily follow these are 3 and 4 step. I mean process that everybody have to follow to learn this language, and they will have to pass through that situation. Like it's really gonna take some times because it's not something that we are going to learn it just 6 months and maybe 3 months 2 months, because I have seen that there is a lot of people they were saying that you can learn this language in just 6 months and in just 2 months. It's happened like that, but for that you will have to surround yourself with that kind of people who can talk to you in English each and every single day. Like in every situation they are with you and they can talk to you in that language, so you can learn that language in 6 months and maybe in 2 months. It is possible, but it's not possible for that person who is just only practice it on calls and sometimes with their friends, and they can also think like that I'm gonna learn this language in just 2 months. So it's not gonna possible for that person, because you are here to learn a language. Because just take an example of a child born in it's really take 5 year and 6 year to speak their mother tongues for a baby bird. So how you can think about it like you're gonna learn this language in just 2 months and just 3 months. So it's really gonna take time because it's not our native language, and in our surround no one's are speaking this language. Because I have to learn this language, so we have created some kind of like people, we have make some kind of friends who can talk to me in this language. But it's a little amount of time that we can have a practice with that person. But what the rest of the time, like we are only going to have 30 minutes and maximum 1 hour of conversation of English practice, and accepted the rest of the time we are going to communicate with our family friends in our native language. So we just break the rhythm somewhere. So that's why it's going to take some time. So this is the things you will have to navigate through this whole process to learn this language, and that's what I'm just thinking to learn any new language in your life.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are absolutely right. I agree with point that we should not lose our hopes. Whatever
Yeah.
we are doing lots of things. Like for success, also we have to sacrifices a lot. And it is just a language. We should not think that it is very difficult to learn. We should not think. If we will practice more and more, then definitely we can learn English language. Like if we are also, we have also learned the native language. So it had taken us some time. So that's why for learning anything, we have to take a time in that, and so for that also we have to sacrifice a lot.
Yeah, and like one more things which I want to add in this video, like people just see anybody's and they can speak fluent in English, but they start comparing themselves to that person, like, oh my god, this person is really speaking very good English,
Yeah, yeah.
but I'm not able to speak. But they are not thinking about the things that the time they have given, the time they have invested to learn this language. In this process they have spent a lot of times, like if I'm going to give an example of yours, like you have almost spent your 2 and 3 productivity years to learn this language, and that's why you are able to speak like this way right now in your life. And if someone who is just totally beginner right now, and who has started comparing themselves to yourself, so they definitely gonna demotivate, because they will think, oh my god, she is just in ninth standard and she is able to speak like this way, but I'm graduate but I'm not able to speak like that way. Why? Because she already given their 3 and 4 years to learn this language, but you haven't given even a single month. You haven't active regularly for a single month. So why are you comparing yourself with that guy? Just think about it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the process, and you will have to give your times, like maybe it's gonna be 1 year, 1.5 year to learn this language. So you will have to be patient, motivated, and keep practice. Be
Yes,
consistency,
yes.
so that you will able to speak this language. Because like anything, if you gonna see the person have achieved anything just because of they were consistent, motivated, and they were doing something for that things each and every single day. That's why they are able to get that massive hit in their life right now. So it would be very useless that you are comparing yourself with that person, like, oh my god, that person have got a
Yes,
massive
yes.
in their career and I'm
Yeah,
not.
you are absolutely right. That God has created us to do something new in our life. So that's why we should think about the other people, that what they are doing and what. But we can motivate it from that person. It is not like we can inspired by that person. But we should not think that person is better than me, because God has created us to do something new in our life. So that's why we
Yeah.
should be focused on our success and do whatever we wanted. Because life is only a single. Whatever we have to do in our life, there is only single life. So that's why whatever we want, we should do in our life.
And nowadays I'm just watching that you are very active in the group. Like even I'm just when I wake up in the morning at 6 a.m. and after sometimes I've seen that you have dropped a message in the group, like if anybody is free right now to have a
Yeah, do you
conversation.
know? Yeah,
Sure.
do you know that why I'm dropping the message in the morning? Because I'm not getting much time. There is my school in the morning, and in the evening,
Oh,
in the evening there is my tuition, and after that I have to also do my homework. So that's why I'm not getting much time
yeah.
to practice English language. So that's why in the morning I just drop the message in the group.
Oh yeah, that's because I have seen you some of like for 1 and 2 days continuously. I'm just watching that you are dropping a message in the morning in the group. That's why I thought, oh my god, this girl is so dedicated to learn this language. But I don't know how you are speaking. But right now I can see that you are totally fluent in this language, and that's because of your dedication, that you are totally dedicated towards this language. That, oh my god, I will have to learn this language at any cost.
Yes,
And
yes.
I will give my all the things which it will take, because I will have to speak like another speaker, and that's what I'm just doing. So yeah, that's really
Yeah, yeah.
appreciable that you are doing.
Yes, yes. Yeah, we have to learn English language, and it has become a common language also. So that's why we should know
Mhm.
English language, because we can find a large of reason behind it, that why we are learning English language. Nowadays, everywhere we find English language only. So that's why English has become a common language and we should learn English.